Morning, people. So every morning, those birds are flying to that way, to the west. They're flying to the west. I don't know why they're flying to the west. Yes. And I don't know what the birds are. The sun is red and it's not clear. Oh, look at that birds. There are so many of them. And the sun is right there. Oh, sorry, it's the moon. I mean the moon. The moon is right there. And the sun is right there. Red and white. We're doing bird watching anyway. Early bird watching. Or morning bird watching. They're heading to the mountain. Maybe they can find a lot of food there. I don't know. That's what they do in the morning, and then in the afternoon they're gonna go back to the east.
Mommy, eggs need to be
It's so
warm.
relaxing.
Mommy, eggs need to be warm.
More birds are coming. More birds are coming.
Mom, there's four.
Yeah, I know there are 4 birds. Oh,
See? You're heading to the mountain.
she's alone. Yeah.